it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes. Welcome back. We're making Cubans, baby. I remember the first time I cooked this for my family, they almost fell off their chairs. They loved it so much. It is so good, layering on the ham and the braised pork and the cheese and the pickles and the mustard and putting the bread on top and giving it a nice squeeze down to get it nice and crispy. Girl, it's bacon. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to braise your pork. Lay out all your ingredients to make it look super duper cute. Then you're going to pour some olive oil in a nice hot Dutch oven and you're going to brown your pork. This is pork loin. We want a nice lean cut of pork just to make this cooking go real nice and quick. Season up a little salt and pepper. Then what we're going to do is we're going to nice brown on each side, about 2 minutes each side. Do the best you can with browning and then flip it over. Then what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle on our cumin, add in all of our minced garlic, and we're just going to mix that around, get all that cumin to coat all the pork, and brown up that garlic, baby. Oh yeah, stir it. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add in our citrus juice. So we're going to add in some lime, a little orange juice, and some brown sugar. This is going to be our braising liquid. We're going to reduce the heat down to low, cover it, and braise it for 25 to 30 minutes, checking on it. Look at how beautiful that pork looks, baby. Next, we're going to mix our mustard and mayo mixture. A little Dijonnaise of sorts, if you will. Then we're going to cut our bread, and we're going to prepare the sandwich. First thing we're going to do is we're going to spread our Dijonnaise on both sides. Then we're going to layer on our beautifully sliced pickles, followed by a little deli ham, a little black forest. Then we're going to top it with some sliced provolone and our braised shredded pork. Load it all up there, and then a little more cheese, just because, why not? Top it with the bread. We're going to cut that sandwich in half, and then we're going to panini press it. What I'm going to use is a cast iron that's nice and preheated with a nice heavy pan on top, so we can squish that bread down and get that cheese nice and ooey gooey and melty. Look at that. Oh, look at that cheese pull. Then you want to cut it on the bias, just like a Cuban cutie. Oh, look at that. Make sure you try it, because I'm already eating it.
12 Tomatoes.